Ah yes, what a lovely day to go for an adventure outside. But everyone's already packing up. I said that everyone's packing up, as in leaving. Oh man, why do people never listen to me? Wait up guys, you forgot the toilet paper. Oh, keep calm. Maybe they left your stuff behind. Did you pack for emergencies? Pesky bugs. You got anything to take care of those bug bites? Oh wow, an extractor. Seems pretty quick and painless, and you can use it all over yourself. Hold on, I think you're only supposed to use it as directed. Well, it works. It works. Good, protect the stuff. Something tells me there's more helpful gadgets inside. Oh, what a lucky break. Strawberries. Are they fresh? Well, that answers that. We might be in the middle of nowhere, but she's not an animal. And this makeshift toilet will help her feel comfortable. That cushioned seat is just classy. The toilets at home wish they had such soft seats. Still, nothing beats a good shower, and we've come prepared. Place one end in water. Good thing we're near a lake. Now it's time for a rinse. You got a little on your face. Those hands, too? Of course, you need more than water. Bring out the soap. Yeah, that hand looks a lot better. In fact, we can give your whole body the once-over. If we look hard enough, nature always provides us with what we need. See? Anything can grow on trees. Good. Eggs will go great with that sausage. Now where's the coffee tree? An egg cooker? Are you sure you don't want to try it raw? Well, breakfast corn dogs are the most important corn dog of the day. Looks like we need some kush for your tush. And with a plastic bag, we can once more harness all that free air. In fact, why not make a few pillows while you're at it? It feels like a big one. Reel it in. That's barely a fish stick. Let's try another approach. We need to attach this wire loop and this wooden pole together. What else? Our secret weapon, pantyhose. Let's hope the crayfish don't mind the smell. Use it to make a net, leaving a large hole open. Now let's put it to the test. Look, there's a crayfish right in the water. Do you think you can catch it? It's right on the rim. It's neck and neck now. Oh, what a cutie. I think I would name him George. Need to go to the bathroom? And there's no bathroom around? A chair like this is a start, but we need some privacy too. And it's nice and shady too. Also, it's a great tent costume. Probably best to cover up those tomatoes. See, I told you that you should have brought a blanket. Good idea. If you think you're cold with a hoodie on, just think of those poor trees. Maybe you should keep what you're doing under wraps. Wait a minute. She's not just covering them up. She's making a web. A web that's also basically a hammock. Well, let's just hope it's strong enough. Besides, why should spiders have all the fun? I don't think this flower needs water. It's got plenty. And it's more than happy to share. Let's dance. Apples. Let's hope they're fresher than those strawberries. And they fall right to you. Talk about convenience. Cocoa and apples? Oh, she's making hot chocolate in an apple. Let it cook, and don't forget the marshmallows. And when you're done, you get to eat the cup. With all these changing backgrounds, you'd think we'd already be at the airport. Great, we're lost. Where's the vacant lot on the map? Do you still have that phone from before? Even better, keychain eyeglasses. It's worth it just to watch it unfold. It's like a 2-for-1 magnifying glass on a keychain.
Ooh. Aww.
Or maybe you should just see an eye doctor. Yeah, something tells me that's not a cat.
Oops.
Oh, it turns out there was a cat after all. Okay, he really needs to learn to check his surroundings. I mean, this is already the second time this has happened. Let's hope this camping toilet will help. Just set it up. Don't forget to add a bag inside. And this time, remember, a privy is supposed to be private. Yeah, I'd see a doctor about that. Are you just gonna leave it there? You know, some people change before they hit the beach. And I'm beginning to see the reason for that. But with a little know-how, changing on the beach isn't so strange. Although it looks like she was just wearing the top underneath. Oh. Okay, what did we learn today? Yeah, that watch your step can sometimes be taken literally. Oh, good thinking. It's probably not a good idea to get your feet wet. Next time, you might want to throw a rock in to make sure it's not deeper than it looks. Oh, I wonder what else they can do. Oh, look, they keep your hands clean too. What the? Has there been a mudslide? Oh no, a leak! Where's that little Dutch boy when you need him? Who needs him? We've got tape, the hacker's ultimate weapon. Oh, nice and sticky. Everything's sealed up nice and tight, and it kind of looks like a face. This one's easy. Just take the other girl's fish before it goes bad. But she's got another idea, a makeshift hook.
Wow!
Complete with a makeshift fishing line, too. Yeah, we got ourselves a fish. Break out the tartar sauce. Wow, This tropical island sure is chilly. Maybe this stretch wrap can help keep our temperature secure. It's a brand new sweater. Let's cut it up into a jacket. But let's add our own flair to this coat. Take out that marker. Fashion with function.